Hello everyone, this is an educational video for people that have had problems with their Nest thermostat, and this particular model uh, I had installed it in the summer. Everything was working fine, and when I went to put the heat on, when it got a little bit cold, the air was blowing cold. Now what I had to do was just reset everything in the thermostat, and the settings are all here. If you I don't know which different models have the settings, but in this particular model you go into the settings, go into factory reset, and then tap it again, and then it will it will take you through the prompts and reset the thermostat. Then what you have to do is go back into the Home app, Google Home app, and make sure that you have chosen the heat pump yes or no properly. Okay, so I don't have a heat pump, and when I was setting up the app in the beginning, they showed a picture of the outside AC unit, and it looked, and with it they said, do you have a heat pump like this? And I obviously said yes, because it looked like my unit. But the reality was that it's not a heat pump, and therefore in the settings I had to make sure that I put no, I don't have a heat pump. So when I did that, now the heating is as it should be, and it's working fine. It is not blowing cold air anymore. Okay, so just to recap again, set the thermostat to factory settings, go back into your app and reinstall everything. When it comes to the prompt where it says, do you have a heat pump, make sure that you choose the correct option. And generally speaking, if you have a gas connection, it's not a heat pump. So just choose no if you have a gas connection, gas heating. If you don't have gas heating, then it's likely a heat pump. So make sure you make that choice correctly, and then you won't have the problem that I had, which was cold air blowing when it should have been hot. Hope that helps, and just click like if you like the video. Thank you.